Hey guys, Outdoor Prepper, welcome back to the channel. I recently posted a video on the Ark Pro Ultra and I was blown away by the amount of folks asking questions about this in comparison to the other Ark Pro series lights. Therefore, in addition to the Ark Pro Ultra, I recently picked up the Ark Pro and the Ark Pro Light. These are amazing lights, the Ark Pro series. So what I want to do in this video is I want to put them out on the table, go over all the differences because there really are differences between these. Some have lasers, some have red lights, spotlights, UV lights, floodlights, etc. We're going to go over the differences, and then the coolest thing is we're going to go outside and I'm going to show you in real time what the differences are, how they look at night, and which one might be the best one for you. Okay, so I've got all the lights laid out here on the table, and what I want to do is go over the differences between them, and then we're going to take them outside. Now, the naming convention on a lot of these Olights is a little confusing, and this is actually my second take here, because I totally bungled all the names when I was trying to do this. But basically, we've got the Ark Pro Light, the Ark Pro, and the Ark Pro Ultra. And so starting on the most basic one, the Ark Pro Light, what this has is it's 1200 lumens. It is a single throw beam. It doesn't have a spot or flood, it's just a single throw. It has a strobe light, it has a UV light, it has a red light, which I really, really like. In fact, I'm just going to turn that on and kind of point it here to the camera just so you could see. And this is not doing it justice. At night, this is super bright, and it is high or low. And then this has moonlight, low, medium, high, and turbo. Moving on to the Ark Pro, which, spoiler alert, I think this might be my favorite one. But moving on to the Ark Pro, this is 1500 lumens. It has flood or spot, has high or low UV, a class 3R green laser, strobe light, and then moonlight, low, medium, high turbo, just like the other. And the Ark Pro Ultra basically has everything that the Ark Pro has, plus it's got this cool OAL case with its own funky design, and then it also has 1700 lumens as opposed to 15. So 1700 lumens on the Pro Ultra, 1500 lumens on the Pro, 1200 lumens on the Pro Light. Each one of these has the same thing in terms of charging. You've got a nice USB-C port on the side here. You've got the magnetic base that can also take the Olight magnetic charger. Every single one of these has that. They're all exactly the same, no matter which one you have, which is a great feature. And if you have that charging base, which basically comes with all these lights, you can charge any Olight with those. Now, in terms of size difference, the Pro, which is the middle one, and the Pro Ultra, which is the left one, are pretty much exactly the same size. The Ark Pro Light, as you can see here, is a little bit shorter. And as I'm pushing it together, they're kind of moving because they do have that magnetic base, so it is kind of hard to put them exactly next to each other. But you can basically see the size difference. Flipping them over, they each have a nice deep pocket carry clip, all the same size. So again, the main difference between these lights, if you want the laser, you've got to get the Pro or the Pro Ultra. If you want a red light, you have to get the Light. Again, these two have the spot or flood. The Light just has one throw, and that's basically it. Now, they all have the UV mode, so regardless of the one that you pick up, and hopefully the camera here is showing it, to the far left on the selector switch is the UV. So if you go to the far left and turn it on, you're going to get UV, and it's going to be the same on any of these lights. I'm just holding it a slightly different angle to the camera, but they all have UV. On these two lights, the UV is the bottom one. On the Light, it's the left one. My personal opinion, I think these are all amazing lights, and like I said, we're going to go outside in just a moment to look at these, but my personal opinion, I love the color on the Ark Pro. This green, it's like an OD green. It just looks so sharp that, for me personally, being a fan of this color, this is my favorite light. Now, in terms of functionality, you do get a brighter output from the Ark Pro Ultra, and I really like the red light on the Light, but I am just totally sold on the color of the Pro here. Now, I wish secretly that all of these had the red light, because I think the red light is just super cool. It preserves your night vision. It's a fun feature to have personally. Now, you're probably asking yourself, well, if you like the Pro so much, why do you have all three of these? Well, the answer is simple. I really like all of them, and I see a different use case for each of them, and I have different places where I'm going to store them. So my EDC on my person is going to be the Pro. I'm going to keep the Ultra in my bag that I'm taking, to work. I'm going to keep the Light in my car. So I do have locations to put all of these lights, and I just really couldn't settle on one because, like I said, I think they're all really cool. So let's do this. I'm going to put links to these in the description because I hate when I'm watching a YouTube video and I see something that I like, I don't want to have to search around on Amazon for it because I may not find the exact same one or the same color. So I'm going to put links to each of these. But now what I want to do is I want to take you guys outside in the dark and let's turn all of these on. Let's go over the features again. Let's see what they actually look like, and then we'll come back inside and wrap it up. We're going to start with the Pro Light. So this is the lowest of the lumens. Let's go ahead and turn it on. Let me just unlock it. And right now the light is on basically moonlight mode. So this is the lowest setting that we've got here. I'm just shining it at the pavement. There we go. So now we're on low, medium, and high. And I'm just going to kind of aim this at the tree line so you could see. And now I just double tapped, we're into turbo mode. And this is a very bright light. This is 1200 lumens. This is not the brightest of the lineup, but it is nonetheless an incredibly bright light. We only have one throw, so you can't switch this between spotlight or flood, but for what it is, this throw is very, very bright. From this tree line, I'm about 25, 30 feet away, and it's illuminated fully. I'm going to switch it into the red mode right now, which is probably not going to shine onto the trees, but I'll show you in the light. There you go. Now I'm just aiming it on the pavement. I just turned it on to high. That's actually pretty decent. It is actually kind of lighting up the trees a little bit. So this is red on high. I really like the red light. I love this feature, and I actually wish all the other Ark Pro series had the red light. It preserves your night vision, and I just think it looks really cool. All right, so that is basically the Ark Pro Light. There's a UV feature, but you're not going to be able to see that on the trees. And if you want to see the UV feature, check out my review of the Olight ArkPro Ultra. I did a whole segment on the UV light. All right, let's get out the Ark Pro next. So I've just unlocked it. We're in moonlight mode. Let me just show you. You can see on the right that we're at full battery power. So now I'm going to go hold the button. We're in low, medium, high. Again, we're looking at that tree line. Now let's go into turbo because this is 1500 lumens. It's going to be brighter than the Ark Pro Light. And there we go. We're at 1500 lumens now. That tree line is lit up really, really well. I'm just kind of panning it around here. And you can see there's a noticeable step up in terms of brightness. And let's see, I think we are on flood mode. So I'm just going to turn the selector switch. And now we're on spotlight mode. And we're still on turbo. And that spotlight is super, super bright. Let me just kind of lean out here. I'm going to show you here a little bit of a distance with the spotlight mode. So really, really impressed here with the light. I'm just going to kind of hold it in front of the camera so you can see. But that's a very nice throw for the spotlight mode. And now, let me just kill this. The laser's the same on the Pro and the Ultra. So I killed it, and I just put the laser on, and I think you can see it on the ground here. And hopefully you can see the beam a little bit through that. It's a little foggy out. But that laser, super bright. I can see it all the way off in a distance. I'm actually hitting a sign right there. And it's really, really bouncing off that sign a lot. It's actually blinding me. But very, very bright laser. Very powerful laser. Kind of shining into the tree line here. Really like that. Back onto high. I'm going to double tap again. We're going to go into turbo. I'm going to move the selector switch. And now we're into flood. All right, so that was the Ark Pro. Now, the last one is the Ark Pro Ultra. Same thing, I'm just going to unlock it. That's put us into moonlight mode. You can see on the selector ring that we're in the lowest setting and full battery power. Let's go hold this down. We're in low, medium. Let's kind of aim it up at the tree line here. And high. Now this has the brightest output of all of them. Once we get the turbo, this is going to be 1700 lumens. So I'm going to double tap, and we're in turbo. Guys, this tree line is totally lit up. I don't think the camera is doing it justice, but it is completely lit up. Out there in the distance, those trees, those are probably at least 100 feet in front of me. This is on flood, so Very, very, very bright. Again, same laser as the other one. Let's now move this into spotlight mode. And there we go. Incredibly, incredibly bright. I'm definitely impressed with this. I love this light, quite frankly. I love all three of them, which is why I own all three of them. If you want a spot and a flood, definitely get either the Ark Pro or the Ark Pro Ultra. If you want a red light, go with the Ark Pro Light. They all, like I said, they all have the UV light. I'm not going to demonstrate that out here. You're not going to see anything. And the laser is only on the Ultra and the Pro. Guys, now that we're back inside, I think it's pretty clear from looking at these at night that between the Ark Pro Ultra, the Ark Pro, and the Ark Pro Light, there's not a huge difference. So really what the choice is going to come down to is your preference, and do you need the laser? Do you want the red light? They all have the UV light. They've all got fairly bright lights between obviously 1200 and 1700. There is a difference, but it's really going to come down to what do you prefer in the light. The Ark Pro Ultra only comes in this really cool, kind of like a coyote type tan color. The Ark Pro comes in multiple colors, and the Ark Pro Light, I believe, only comes in black. So it really is, like I said, it's going to come down to your preference. Price-wise, again, the prices vary when you get them on sale. I paid at the time roughly $128, I think, for the Ultra, and less for each of these. But they're all within, give or take, you know, $20-ish of each other. So my personal opinion is I really like the Ark Pro. I just love this green color. I really, really do. I actually wish Olight would come out and make one light that had all of these features, because that would just be amazing, and I would definitely buy it and add it to the collection. So like I said, I'm going to put a link to each of these in the description in case you want this specific color or any of these lights. I should also point out that I, through trial and error, realized that you can make the UV light brighter or dimmer. The red light is brighter or dimmer, and the laser you can actually hold and it becomes momentary. I don't really use the laser very much, but I like that I do have it in case I need to point something out at night. If I want to use it during a presentation. I love the UV light. They all have the UV light. And I really like the red light here on the Ark Pro Light. It's just a really cool light, and let me see if you can see it. It gets brighter, dimmer, and I think we can do the same with the UV light. Yeah, the UV light gets brighter or dimmer as well. So guys, do me a favor, like and subscribe, leave some questions and comments if you want to give an opinion on this. Which one do you think is the best one? I'm picking this because I just love the color so much, but I really do like the red. But I'm interested to hear from you. And in my next video, I'm going to kind of try to summarize all the Olights that I've been purchasing lately, because I obviously bought the whole Ark Pro series. I've got the Seeker 4 Pro, which I just did a video on, which was amazing, like super bright at 4600 lumens. I've got the Baton. I just picked up the O-Clip Pro, and I'm going to do a video on that. It's actually even smaller than I thought it was. It was difficult to tell from the pictures on Amazon. A little bit smaller, which is perfect because I'm going to pair that with a waist pack that I just bought that I'm going to start using as my EDC, so I will feature that in a future video as well. I'll see you on the next one, guys. Like and subscribe and leave some comments.